this is the door to have privacy in the bathroom, but it's also the door to the shower. So we decided to put a full-length mirror on the outside of this door. Mirrors are always good in small spaces because they reflect light, and it's good to do a little check before you leave the house. You know, check your hair or whatever. It's not a glass mirror, it's a plexiglass mirror. And Zach built the frame to put it in, and then we put the piece in, and the frame was just a smidge smaller than it maybe could have been, so that it's very tightly fit in there. So, you know, when you squeeze a mirror, you get maybe a funhouse effect to it. So we have a little bit of that going on, but it actually makes me just look a little bit skinny. So I think that's not a bad deal.
Okay, here's our shower. It's all steel 1x4 construction. So all these grab rails are bolted to steel 1x4s, so you can actually hang on them. And we've got this long full length one here. So here's a full length grab bar, and the shower head can slide up and down, or you can move it down for the kids, or you can have a foot washing station. And I always wondered why they put these shower heads on hoses. They'd put this up top because you can't lift this up any higher. So I put it down here so that you can take this and run it out the side door. Outside shower, or to hose something else off. So to save on hot water, we put in a hot water circulating system. So a little tiny pump circulates hot water from the tank, which is in the front of the truck, through the hot water lines back to the shower and sink. So you just turn it on a few seconds before you want to use it, and then the hot water's right here at the tap, so you're not dumping gallons of cold fresh water before you get to the hot water.
The fixtures in the shower are Delta, and what's really cool about this is when you turn the shower on, it has a light up display, so it'll tell you what the temperature is. I, of course, just put it right over up to 112 to 120 is about my comfort zone, and I think Zach's more around, I don't know, 108, I think. And it does get awfully hot. There's definitely times where you don't want it that hot. So we just recently installed this because same reason as the other cabinets. We had just a regular shower caddy and things would kind of fall out. So now we have this. Has a lock, we can lock it. Everything stays neat and tidy in there. Nothing falls out, no spills while we're off-roading. So that's really nice. And it is kind of nice too, just because we do end up giving tours all the time. It's kind of nice to just have all our personal stuff in a cupboard. One question we get asked often is, did you do it yourself? And yes, pretty much we've done this ourselves, but the shower is one area but we did not bend the sheet metal. We don't have the tooling for that. We designed it, we knew exactly what we wanted, and we did have the sheet metal bent for us. This right here, you'll see how this is handy when we show you how it folds up. And what's super unusual about our shower is that it's got two openings. So you've got two doors, and that's also because of the way the truck folds up, and we're going to show you that in a second. But if you get in the shower, this this is the other side of the plexiglass mirror, and then on this side we have a roll-up door. So you can be fully enclosed for the shower. We keep a floor mat. We have a teak floor, and we keep this extra floor mat, so if someone's had a shower and the floors are wet, we just put that on top, so then you can still walk on top of the surface. Little features that come in handy like these. So we put these in for when you climb in, when the truck's folded up, but of course also is really nice for, you know, when you need to shave your legs or anything like that. And you can see it's nice and roomy. There's actually room for 2 people in here.
Still works.